Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech. So in this video today we're going to learn how to count words on Google Docs. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open first Google Docs. So here you can see this is my Google Docs file, and you can see there is a two page only. So there is a simple way or simple option you can use to count your words on Google Docs. So just open your Google Docs, and if you want to count word with particular paragraph, that you have to choose the paragraph, then go to the tools and click on word counts. So you can see you have selected 41 words of 318. Okay, you have selected 272 characters, and you have selected 232 characters excluding spaces, and you have selected one page. Okay, word count while typing. Also you can use this option if you want to use word count display on while you're typing. Okay, just click on it and click OK. So I don't need it, just I just okay. Now if you want to count all words of your Google Docs, just unselect some everything, go to the tools and go to the word counts. So you can see all words, all characters, pages, and characters excluding spaces. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.